Good morning, it's an early start today because today I'm heading off on a tour to an island just off of Sorrento called Capri. I've seen pictures of it, it's meant to be absolutely gorgeous. Weather is meant to be okay today, fingers crossed, but we're gonna have a good day anyway. So right now I'm walking around a place called Capri, which is a little less crowded than Capri itself, but we're going to go to the main part of Capri later on. From here you can get a chairlift up to a really nice viewpoint, but it's a little bit too high for my comfort level. I'm not great with heights, so I'm bugging out of that. After visiting the main towns of Capri, we headed back on our boat to go and visit the famous Blue Grotto. We transferred from our boat to a little rowboat and it was not easy to get into it, but it is 100% worth it. Plus, we got a bit of a singing show as well. After the Blue Grotto, we went back on our boat to explore more of the island. Of course, no trip to Capri is complete without seeing the Faragoloni rocks. They are absolutely stunning. Hi everybody, I'm just back in my hostel now after an incredible day going around Capri. I absolutely had a ball today. Like, Capri is so beautiful, and even though there's not much to the town, To be honest, it's a lot of like boutique shopping, expensive restaurants, things like that. Our guide actually gave us lunch, which was great. If you want to do Capri yourself, I highly recommend you do a tour. That way you can kind of see the best of it as well, because if you just get the ferry from Naples or Sorrento to go to Capri, you just see the town, and a lot of people kind of don't get to see the highlights, which is like the Blue Grotto and things like that. But I will leave a link to the tour that I done in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see more videos just like this, make sure you hit subscribe. But tomorrow I have yet another tour. I'm going to Positiano and the Amalfi and all that kind of stuff. So really looking forward to it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Next time on Travel Bugby, I'll be showing you around Sorrento town and also taking a tour down the Amalfi coast to see famous towns like Amalfi and Positiano. See you next time.